Today, we are going to be talking about two things. We're going to be talking about piano, which is a quiet dynamic, and we're going to be talking about forte, which is a loud dynamic. So let's take my three pets. I have three pets: a cat, catfish, another cat, noodle, and a dog, frosting. And let's see if they would be quiet, piano, or loud, forte. Catfish, when he purrs, is so quiet that you cannot hear him purr. You have to pet his head and feel the purr coming through his head. That's how quiet he is. So obviously he would be forte. I'm just kidding. That's not what he would be. If he's so quiet that you can't hear his purr, that you have to touch his head in order to feel the purring, that's going to be a very quiet dynamic. Noodle, on the other hand, oh my gosh, when it is time for dinner, Noodle just walks around going, meow, 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 meow. So would he be piano? I wish. No, he is very forte. When it is dinner time, he is super forte. He is letting the whole world know that he is hungry an hour before it's dinner time. Then we have frosting, and he kind of does both, because most of the time he's pretty piano, he's quiet, but every once in a while he will see someone walk past his window. Not any window, just one window, the window in the front room. If someone walks by that window, not the window in the backyard, but just the window going to the front yard, then he has to bark like his life depends on it. And that would be forte, because he's very loud when he barks. He's very loud, so that would be forte. Now, dynamic is just a fancy word for volume, so both of these are going to be volumes. Piano is a quiet dynamic or volume. Forte is a loud dynamic or volume. As you are going through the rest of your activities, I want you to think about, is this activity piano? Is it forte? Could I change it to be piano or forte? What if you changed the volume on your computer, made the volume go up and be more forte, or down and be more piano? How would that change it? So as you're doing your other activities, your sing and your say, your move and your play around a little bit with piano and forte. How does it change your activity if you change the dynamic or the volume? Have fun today. Bye!